Okay guys, so kind of an impromptu video today. First off, I want to shout out the Millen family in Georgia. I just went to the new community at Leon Ridge by Beazer Homes over in Winchester, and I'm driving away right now. I was literally just going to film houses for them. I absolutely need to come back and film more for you guys, but it's such a cool community and a great spot. Like literally, sorry guys, this is like my most informal video ever. They're building a shopping center right here, and right down the road there's another one. And then where I'm turning left right now, I'm actually driving my mother-in-law's house in Menifee, just literally over the hill right here. You got Stater Brothers, you've got Del Taco, McDonald's, Starbucks, all the stuff you need for now right over there. But there's also a Starbucks and stuff there, but no grocery store that way. So just absolutely great location. But the Millen family, Jason reached out to me yesterday. I was at a doctor's appointment, and they're selling a house in Georgia. They're moving out here the first week of July. So he kind of identified a house he wants. So I came over here, talked to Samantha over at the community here. They've got two communities. They got Carson and they got Wilder, 6 model homes. Guys, this builder, this is the first time I've ever had like single family homes with Beazer that I've done since I started doing, my YouTube channel. I've done like the townhome style. And I'll just be real with you guys, I thought the Beazer homes, they're okay, right? For the townhome style. These are really nice. They, they rival some of my other favorite builders, and they throw in a lot of really nice upgrades that other builders nickel and dime you on. For instance, open handrails, or most builders do a pony wall. These guys are doing the open handrails, the extended backsplashes, and all the lots of this community are between 8,000 to 20,000 square feet. So what I'm gonna do in this little impromptu video for the weekend, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and basically share with you guys the video that I sent to Jason, all right? And hopefully by the time this goes live, Jason's already in escrow on one of these. But if you want more information on this community, make sure you go ahead and reach out. My phone number's gonna be on the screen. Like I said, I'm super impressed. Lots of cul-de-sacs, kind of it's right off of this main road here, but it's really quiet still. They got great insulation, just really well-made homes. So I'm fired up that I've been driving by that community forever, and it seems like it just popped up out of nowhere. And Samantha was really nice. It was my first time meeting her. But anyways, these houses I'm gonna show you today, these videos are intended for Jason, all right? But I do show you the model home, and I show you basically some other homes that are quick moving homes that are available, between now and basically the end of July. But like I said, they got tons of opportunities. So if you like this, let me know. And then real quick, I'm gonna show you this, because I just drove 2 minutes. Boom, that's the view getting over the hill into Menifee. This is my favorite view. My parents live in Banner Park right here. My mother-in-law lives in the neighborhood behind it. So I am well versed in this area. So I'm hoping to help a lot of you guys, because at Banner Park I've got 7 or 8 people, and they have less than 200 homes there. So I'm selling a lot in there. I'm hoping to make this kind of my new spot, because it's right on the border of Menifee and Winchester. So anyways, I'm not going to talk your ear off. I'm going to show you those houses, and that's it. Okay, so this right here is going to be the Morgan. The model home here, we're gonna be 2853 on the square footage. Walk in and get this nice little porch area. Once again, this is the model. I'm gonna actually show you guys the house that you're looking at in a second. She was busy, but nice entryway here. Got the stairs with a nice open handrail there. 4 beds, 3 baths. And I think there's an option to make a 5th bedroom too. But anyways, you got guest room at the bottom down here. Bathroom downstairs. Okay, this looks like a normal pantry. I'm gonna guess it's a linen closet though. That is humongous. Entry table. To the left over here, there's gonna be a garage access. Coat closet with a little movie theater under the stairs. Nice little entryway area there. And kind of here's the downstairs area. Open concept down here. Nice big island. They've only got 3 there. You can definitely fit 4. You get the light fixtures up top. Dining area set up right here. Then yeah, there's the dining room or living room area. This is super cool. To be honest, this is my first time ever in like a Beazer, like non-townhome home, if that makes sense. Like a single family home. Nice big pantry, lots of shelving space here. And you got the island with no sink in the middle. Show you the backyard real quick. So this is the backyard is on this one. Nice and pretty big lot. Got the vinyl fencing all around. You're gonna have the electric cooktop. I'm seeing that as I walk through here. All right, go down here. Got another, this is with an ensuite. I don't know if this is the master or not. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think so because of the closet. So you have an ensuite bathroom downstairs. That's pretty cool. All right, cool. All right, we'll head on up. So you got the 2 bedrooms down here so far. I did see online, it looks like you can go to 5. Got the open handrail here. I just want to show you that as I walk up. All right, so you got a loft area as we get to the top of the stairs here. Pretty decent size here, like a second living area. We'll keep moving this way. You got laundry room with the floating cabinets, hanging cabinets up there. Folding counter. Pretty nice laundry room. Another bedroom here, so this is bedroom 3 right now. Glass sliding closet doors there. Go through the loft, go this way. So we've had 3 bedrooms so far. All right, so this is like the utility room basically. That's where you get your HVAC stuff basically. Got another bathroom up here. You got the dual sinks, I like the flooring they got here. Little cabinet area here. You're gonna have a privacy door right here. And then you got the toilet and shower tub combo. Walk further on down. Okay, I'm seeing 5 rooms. I'm guessing maybe that front one is a flex room, almost like the Visionary with Pulte. It's kind of, this just reminds me of similar size too. So this is the 4th bedroom here. Get the wooden closet door there. And then at the back, mom and dad's room, lots of privacy back here and pretty good size. You know, it's nice and wide. A lot of room at the foot. You obviously have the couch, that little coffee table thing. You got your walk-in closet over here. Pretty good amount of space in here. Get the shelves up top. What my wife and I did to get more space is we got like, I don't know, from IKEA or Target, there's like little cubbies of 6. And we put them there and put them on top of this shelf to give us some more stuff. It looks good and it's cheap. Oh, there's his and hers closet. Oh man, this is sweet. Okay, I like it. Liking that. So you got the bedroom, nice. I like the symmetry. I always point this out with the windows on each side. Get the big window in the back. And then you got the master bathroom. The black trim, flooring. And then they got the 2 individual huge mirrors. I'm gonna guess. Oh, I was gonna say, there's usually 2 sinks in the master, but okay, so there's 1 sink there, vanity area, whatever, and another one here. So I'm gonna guess this is mom's side and dad's side. All right, then over here you got toilet area, and that wraps this one up. This is the Morgan. Kind of a Spanish style exterior. Real quick though, just wanted to show you, I took pictures, but this one right here, same floor plan. You got the porch out front, different exterior. And that's gonna be the same, I believe the same layout as when we're about to walk in. And this one right here has 5 bedrooms, same floor plan. And I believe it's same/similar price, but the 2 corner ones are nice. But anyways, we'll walk on in. They're still doing some stuff here, but I'll kind of show you the color of the flooring right there. Open handrail. How's it going? All right, turn to the right. We got our bedroom, just like the model home. The closets go deep behind the walls. You got your downstairs bathroom, linen closet. Your little entryway here, this will be the garage access. All right, it's coming 3-car garage. There's electricity though. Anyways, 3-car garage. There's your solar stuff, and there's the 3rd bay. So on the model, they have this set up as an extra bedroom. So technically, you could have up to 6 bedrooms, it looks like, if you got rid of the 3-car garage. So it's 3-car garage. We'll come over here. And here's the kitchen area downstairs. They do a lot of upgrades here. So we got the nice white cabinets, the extended backsplash, got the nice light fixtures hanging down. Pantry back here. Sink over here. So this pantry, really open. You can see kind of back here. I don't know if they do this for you guys in Georgia, but over here So you can hang your TV. It's kind of like already centered for you. You got the little Smurf tube there to go down through the back of the wall. That way wires are hidden. And you come up to the backyard. All these lots are really good size. All right, but when you get it, it comes with your little cement block, and then the rest is a blank canvas for you. But just look out here from your backyard. You got mountain views out that way. And you got the little hills back here. Anyways, I'll go upstairs quickly right here. Oh, I missed this. Cook closet goes underneath. There's Samantha. Upstairs. Once again, open handrails up here. So a lot of builders, they nickel and dime you for this stuff. This stuff's all included with them. So you have the loft up here. Now, if you wanted the one with 5 bedrooms, this loft goes away and this becomes a bedroom here. So just keep that in mind. Go up here, you're gonna have our laundry room area. The floating shelf up there. You have these cabinets that come with it. All right, we're gonna have basically bedroom number 2 right here. And here's just kind of show you the front of the house and some of the views out there. Like those mountains, you can see snow-capped mountains certain times of year. Closet there. All right, on the other side of the loft, you can have basically it's like the HVAC room. They're very efficient with everything they got going on. It's one of the best things about Beazer. I think the electricity off. Anyways, you got bathroom here. You got 2 sinks, little privacy door there. You do have like a little folding cabinet thingy here. Shower tip combo toilet. Go back here, and a little table, or not table, cabinets there. All right, this is our 3rd bedroom. Hopefully I need the sliding wooden closet doors. And then we'll go to the master. All right, the master, really good size. Lots of windows. You put the bed, you know, I like how the symmetry there with the windows, nice big window looking out. And then you guys, if you buy this lot, you're right behind the model home. So eventually those guys there are gonna sell for a lot more than most of the normal houses here, and they're gonna sell them at the end of the community. So when they sell those houses, it should definitely help increase the equity of your house here if you buy this one. All right, but I really love that they got his and hers walk-in closets upstairs. So there's 2 of them right there, and then one right as you first entered here. I really like this floor plan. And you come back here. All right, bathroom. You got the upgrade. I'm pretty sure when I did the model, it was just the shower, but you got the tub, the shower there with a little bench in it. You got the 2 sinks. 2 sinks there. Oh, that's what it was. With just the shower, I think they had the other one over there. Okay, so the 2 sinks, nice big wide spot there. Let me just show you the cabinets here. So you got 2 big cabinets there and some drawers in the middle. And then you got your throne area here. And that's what the tile looks like up here. So that's the house you sent me. Okay, so this is the one that was not directly across the street on the corner. That one is a different floor plan. I misspoke earlier. But this is the one that was the one next to that. The second one in across the street from the one you sent me. You got kind of the gray cabinets. Once again, this is nice, like brick stone type. Yeah, taupe backsplash. Once again, extended backsplash. So really nice there. I'll show you the backyard on this one too. All these have pool-sized lots, to be honest. Everything I've seen so far. And then you got a different little handrail going up on this one. I'm not gonna.
The main thing is the 5th bedroom.
Yeah. The main thing I'm gonna do is showing you on this one. Everything's pretty much the same as far as layout goes. We got the different handrail there and upstairs here. But I'm gonna show you what the 5th bedroom looks like. So instead of the loft, this one has 5 bedrooms, and this is what the 5th bedroom is. So no loft, but you do have a 5th bedroom. You see there's the first house I showed you, and then this is the one that I misspoke about. I'll kind of show you what the hallway looks like up here too. So you come up the stairs, not just all open, you got this wall here that you can decorate nicely. So anyways, Samantha said they're about the same price, so sent you both videos, you guys let me know. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna show you this one too that they're finishing. This is a different exterior, but also has a porch, and it's kind of towards the end of the cul-de-sac. We're doing some stuff, so don't walk around the back area. Nice porch patio area. I'll walk that in. So this is more of a brown color on the handrail. That color of flooring right there, that like light wood like flooring, oh, there's a good plank for you. Everything else is kind of the same. This one's a little earlier in the process, it looks like. You got a little bit of a smaller backyard. I was hoping for bigger since it was kind of towards the end of the cold. Actually, it's still really good size. You're smaller than the other ones. So you got that there, downstairs. And then this one, I believe it has the loft, but I'm just gonna show you real quick. I don't know if this one will be ready in time for you guys. I just want to show you. All right, so you got the open handrail there, and yeah, I got the loft. So these are about $750, and they're doing $40,000 in incentives. All right, so that's gonna wrap that video up. It was very quick, very impromptu. I literally filmed the intro that you saw like 30 seconds ago as I was driving to my mother-in-law's house. I had no intention of this being my video for the week, but I feel like I need to get it out there because it was such an impressive community. So one thing I forgot to mention in the intro, $40,000 in incentives. And if you are a military person or veteran like Jason is with the Millen family, they give you additional bonuses there as well. So yeah, I'm pretty fired up for the community. I'm for sure gonna come back and film all 6 houses and do the real video I normally do with the map tour and all that kind of stuff. Speaking of that, we got the house I just showed you. If you have elementary school kids, you are zoned to the brand new elementary school that just opened. It's super nice, all right? I'm not 100% sure on the high school and middle school yet. I didn't get that information, but the elementary school right there, super awesome. I'm getting all turned around, people staring at me as I'm doing a U-turn here. Anyways, all right, if you liked anything you saw there, or you wanna explore some houses with me, hop on a Zoom, whatever, go ahead and reach out. My phone number is gonna be on the screen right now. And if you like this sort of stuff, make sure you like, subscribe, do all the stuff, all right? I post videos like this all the time. I got great relationships with the builders and the agents, and I get you guys awesome, awesome deals. So anyways, that's it. If you like this video, YouTube is gonna put a video over this shoulder. You'll probably like that one too. And I'll see you in there.